Gucci, everyone? My name is Cortez, if you haven't really seen the YouTube channel. And today, welcome to the Clogs! I think that's what I'm gonna call these. So, we're actually on the way right now to go to Lawrence's house, because I got a very special treat for all of y'all, because I full-sended something, and I'm very excited to put it on, and I believe we might be able to put it on today. So, this is gonna be very exciting. And, yeah, I wonder if Lawrence is willing to be on camera, but we'll see. So, we finally made it to Lawrence's. There's Jackie again, if you guys remember him from vlog 2. Of the normal one. So, there's Lawrence. He's a little, I'm getting the, yeah. So, look at that, no Sardwing. You know why? Because we're transforming it into this. I full-sended it, guys. This is gonna be great. So Jackie and I are gonna start. Don't worry about it. don't worry about the marks. Don't worry. It's gonna be covered. So I think the first thing we need to do, Jackie, is get rid of this, like the 3-piece. At least we'd have it out of the way.
First of all, let's take the plate off first because you need that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, take the garnish off.
What are you doing right now?
I'm unbolting the wing, the big wing.
The table.
The table.
Yeah. So would you consider this as Lego hard or IKEA hard? Between?
Yeah.
Okay. So right now, Jackie unbolted 2 of the screws that goes to the garnish part. This little piece right here. And then now we gotta start taking off this piece right here. So. Holy crap.
Do you want to actually put this in your car? Yeah. Probably put your seats down and just shove this.
Oh, the seats are down right now.
Yeah. Or I can just move this.
Oh, there you go.
There you go. You're good.
And voila. Thanks, Lawrence.
No problem, dude. Enjoy the wing.
Thank you.
All right, we have to get going. We gotta do some stuff.
Yeah.
Really
Take care, dude.
Yeah, definitely, you guys.
Let's go put the trunk inside the car.
Well,
here.
Well. Wait, is it vlogging?
So, there you have it. Not bad, huh, Jackie? Looks nice. Oh my God, what a change. That's awesome. So, Oh, that looks really nice. Wow, that's a change. That's a super change. I mean, an expensive change, but worth. First reactions to the wing. It's not that bad. It's this is the Rocket Bunny V1 style wing, or V2. I forget. I think it's V1, V2. I'm pretty sure it's V2. I'm gonna say V2. Anyways, so compared to the Sard, it's actually not that different. Maybe it's a little bit thicker. I don't really get. I honestly am not bothered by it from the start. Like, you can see it from the back right there. When I'm looking in the rearview mirror, it's actually not that bad. I honestly can see a lot still. Maybe not like super close. I honestly really do like it. So driving right now, you can feel that it's heavier on the steering wheel, maybe a little bit on the gas because all that weight is in the back. And I don't know if that's because I have the extra trunk right here sitting inside of the car right now. I don't know if it's because of that, so I can't really give my full like experience on like if it's super heavy or not, or you know what I mean. So I'm gonna have to wait to see whether or not it's actually this heavy or it's just because that extra trunk right there. So yeah, so far so good. So far I love it. I fell in love with it already, so good thing so far, good thing so far. And this basically was the reason why I got it.
Wait.
Thank God.
Oh, that's why you said video.
Actually, no, I didn't plan it.
Oh.
Oh wait, I almost forgot to lock my car. Okay, there we go.
You know what else you forgot?
These nuts?
Your vlogging skills. Just kidding, you never had them.
Because I can't vlog now. So we're gonna go ahead and, I don't know if I'm gonna get it. Are you gonna get something?
Yeah, dude.
Okay.
Dude, you gotta try this place.
I did already.
Oh, never mind.
It was a while back.
I hate you then.
So, thank you for making my outro, by the way.
Oh, make sure you follow his Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, MySpace. Make sure you donate $5 to his Patreon. Don't forget, with $5 you can meet Justin in person.
I have to thank Nick for a lot of things. For changing my underwear.
I have a lot of regrets in life, and Justin is one of them.
Thanks, Tiffany, for letting me borrow him.
You think it's cool if I drink this while I...
You got caught on camera.
That is expensive.
Do not drink and drive.
Except if it's Coke and water.
Yes. That's nasty. It's like shit on top.
Bro. Oh, you're gross. You're so gross. Oh, dude. I'll go get tissues.